Hey guys, this is Indu here. Hope all are fine at home. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that every single time I upload the video, you will be getting the notifications. Kindly watch the video till the end because I have included some of the important board examination questions for practice. In this video, we are going to cover challenges to political parties from the chapter Political Party Class 10 CBSE Civics. Challenges to political parties. Yes, India is a country which is known for multi-party system. Actually, in India, we have 2598 at present political parties are there in India, but according to your NCERT textbook, it is mentioned as 750 registered political parties. So this is the number. So imagine as many as political parties are there. So each and every one are competing with each other. So that is the scenario in India. So considering these facts, also in political party, within the party, they do have competition. Not only outside the party, even within the party they do have competition. Party will not function with one leader with a few followers. It is not the case. Party is filled with lakhs and lakhs of followers, and there are many active members and leaders, as we have already seen in the previous video. Those are the three components, main components of political parties. So knowing that within the party there are several competition going on between the active members and the important party members. So they do face loads of challenges to run a political party. So we are going to project four major challenges of political parties in this video. So according to your NCERT textbook, these four challenges are very mandatory for writing answers for your board examination questions. So one by one, we'll just quickly go on with the challenges. Number one, lack of internal democracy. So internal is nothing but within the party. Inside the party, there is no proper democracy. There is no proper communication. There is no proper mutual understanding within the party. So this is one of the most important challenge of political party. So parties do not keep membership registers, do not hold organizational meetings, and do not conduct internal elections regularly. Not only they are just competing for MLA MP election, for competing that public election within the party itself, they do have an election. They will nominate few persons that who should be the chief minister or prime minister candidate, who should be the ministerial candidate. So all that will be done with the organizational meeting. If it is not happening in a proper way, then again it's a problem. This is one of the most important challenge of the political party. Number two, dynastic succession. We call it as family rule. One family will be conquering the political party, conquering democracy, and the one after the other will be keep on ruling. If I am the ruler, my son will be the ruler and his son will be the ruler. Likewise, one individual family will be keep on dominating that particular political party. Many times this turn to be the negative aspect of that political party, which obviously loses the popularity of that particular party. So most political parties do not practice open and transparent procedures for their functioning. So there are very few ways for an ordinary workers to rise to the top in the party. In many parties, the top positions are always controlled by members of one family. As I told you, the least section, the minority groups may not come up. If this is the case, if they are projecting the family rule, they always give preference to the family members so that the real contender will not get the opportunity. So these are the important challenge to the political party. Following which we have the role of money and muscle power, not only in the society, not only in the world, not only in economics. Even in political parties also, this is known that only whoever having the money will win. It is very obvious because uh, parties which is sound enough in money and muscle power in gundas, so they can able to dominate others, suppress others easily. So this is the greatest evil challenge of political party. The third challenge is about the growing role of money and muscle power in parties, especially during elections. Since parties are focused only on winning elections, they tend to use shortcuts to win elections. In some cases, parties support criminals who can win elections. So we have so many criteria to pass on the elections. In spite of that, money plays a vital role in corrupting all these procedures framed by the election commission or the Indian government. So this is one of the most evil challenge. Bribing, corruption, malpractices, everything is happening because of money and muscle power. So this has to be nullified from the Indian election system. Then only proper election will take place. Political party will get strengthened within themselves. The last challenge is going to be there is no meaningful choices for the voters. For example, imagine MLA election is going to happen, and say for example 10 to 15 members are competing in a particular constituency. So imagine all 15 members who are competing in a particular constituency are not the capable ones. Someone who's having the criminal record, someone who's not at all interested in servicing people. So likewise, all the candidates are not at all fit to participate in the election in such condition, but the political party is projecting only those candidates. Why? Because they are popular, they can obviously win the seat, they are wealthy, so they are masculine, likewise so many reasons. So in such case, they are not offering good choices for the voters, right? So people do not find parties to be a meaningful choice for the voters. Sometimes people cannot even elect very different leaders either, because the same set of leaders keep shifting from one party to other. So this is also the greatest drawback in political parties. Same leader, if they are proven wrong in a particular party, they will just change to the next party after getting some bribe. So this is the greatest challenge of political party. So even the political party faces lots of obstacles and challenges to overcome to have the proper functioning of political parties. So in spite of all that, we need to maintain democracy. In comparing with any other forms, democracy is the best form. So these are the major challenges of political parties. Important 5-mark questions for board, right? So now we have come to the important phase of this particular video. Yes, it's board examination question. So all the questions related to the topic which is explained in the current video is projected. So please make use of all the questions. Question number 1, what are the 4 challenges to political parties? Question number 2, what are the 5 features of lack of internal democracy within parties? Question number 3, explain the growing role of money and muscle power in parties. Question number 4, explain lack of meaningful choice to the voters. Give example. Question number 5, who passed an order to reduce the influence of money and criminals? So that is all about today's class. Thank you so much, students, for your time, and do practice as many as questions possible. Get very good marks in your board examinations. Also visit our channel to see all other topics from the same chapter. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.